Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Glam Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Guys, in my channel, I love to do the glamorous tablescape. So I decorate my tablescape from high and low, thrifting, a little bit of high-end store, dollar store. So I mix all of those items, and mostly glam, guys. Also, I love to do shopping haul, thrifting hauls, home decorating, a little bit of DIY, and a little bit of cooking. Alright everyone, so in this video, this is a part of our Vlogmas collab between me and Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living. I hope guys you can stop by to her channel and tell her I sent you. Please also support her channel as you supported me. Alright guys, so I decided I'm going to decorate my fireplace. So I put my fire because it's a little bit chilly, and look at, I think I dressed up wrong this time. So alright, without further ado, let me show you the first step that I did to my fireplace. I hope you enjoy. So alright everyone, so what I did, I laid this garland, and I'm going to put more of this right here to fill this up. So alright, let's get started. Over here, I need this side because it's a little bit empty. And I also need this side over here. So I'm gonna find a place to put this in because to just fill it up. And I hope this fire is not going to get this. So I'm also gonna put this from Pier 1 at the end. We'll see. So I have like a gold. So what I'm doing over here, I try to put those Pier 1 fixed, but seems like I don't like it. And anyway guys, so what I did for this fireplace, so I put a command hook on it, but what I did is I need to put with the E6000 because this is a stone fireplace, so it's hard to just I'm using the regular command hook. So the Pure One fix this is better than at the end of my garland. So my garland at the bottom, you know, the hanging one is not that thick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to try to figure it out how can I make it more full. So guys, my garland is actually combination of a regular from Walmart and the one I have from, I believe, Home Goods. So I put them all together and I put more pine cones in there and more of ornaments. So I did not do the process at the very beginning because it's a long video and I forgot to make a video when I started to do the arrangement of that garland. So here, those hanging crystal, I'm going to put that at the bottom of my garland. So I'll style that over like that. So I did improvise the hanging swag, like looks like a swag but it's actually a garland. So I put my big ornaments in there. It's a silver and I will try to figure out to make it full. So for now, that's how it looks like, and I'm using the Dollar Tree ribbon. And here I'm putting my reindeer, and I think this is a boy, but I make her as a girl, and her name is Pretty Girl. So I name her Pretty Girl because I used to have a Chihuahua, and her name is Pretty Girl. And that was way back when I was in Hawaii. So the other reindeer, his name is Dell. So that's how I called him. And welcome to my fireplace, and I hope you enjoy. So I put up necklace with Pretty Girl, and I really love it. So guys, you will see the entire family room or a great room on December 2nd, 10 a.m. in the Timeless Elegance Decor Collab, Christmas and Winter Edition. I'm co-hosting that with Lady Phoenix of Really Good Living and Chill's Glam Home of Australia. So guys, stay tuned for the entire look of this great room. Right now, I'm just showing my fireplace. And here my wreath is showing a little bit, but the entire thing is not all done yet. So stay tuned guys, December the 2nd. This room guys, it looks like a rustic, and my stone fireplace, it looks like a farmhouse, so that's why I have to come up to tone down that fireplace. And what do you think guys, did I nailed it or failed it? So I put my white reindeer there. That's actually a snow reindeer, but as I said, I improvise. Everyone, don't forget to stop by at Lady Phoenix channel, and please support her as you support me. And if you like this video, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye!